Hello friends, it's Jen here, your LCAP travel agent, and it is time to travel by the seat of your pants. I'm sure you're probably wondering why we're filming a travel video in our cafe, but you know what? We'll get to that soon. It is a new year and we are kicking off an exciting virtual travel tour of the world. Monthly, we will be taking you to different locations that are both local and global. Join us throughout the month as we give you experiences that will touch on all 5 of your senses: sight, smell, sound, taste, and touch. With various activities designed around your destination, you'll feel as though you're walking the streets of Italy while sipping a glass of wine or maybe enjoying a pint with a friend. That's friend for German. These experiences will come to you through various activities throughout the month, including a cooking demonstration of a Meals on Wheels menu item that fits the country we're exploring. You see, later this month, you'll be joining us right here. How cool, I know. So now that you know how the program works, let's get traveling. Our destination this month, Italy. Its location. Italy is located southern Europe in the heart of the Mediterranean Sea. To the north, Italy shares open land and borders with France, Austria, Switzerland, and Slovenia. Language, standard Italian. As written, administrative, and literary language, was in existence well before the unification of Italy in the 1860s. Food, my personal favorite, Italian. As I was designing your trip and researching its location, I came across these interesting fun facts. Allow me to read them to you. Italy has one of the world's oldest populations, with 23% of the population aged 65 years and over. Median age of around 45 years. The country also has one of the lowest birth rates in the Western world. More people are waiting longer to have children, while other couples are not having any children or fewer children at all. The government has recently introduced some incentives to encourage people to have more than one child in an attempt to stabilize the birth rate. The name Italy comes from the word Italia, meaning calfland, perhaps because the bull was a symbol of the Italian tribe. Italy is approximately 116,400 square miles, including Sardinia and Sicily, which is slightly larger than Arizona. Also, in 2007, a dog named Rocco discovered a truffle in Tuscany that weighed 3.3 pounds. It later sold at an auction for $333,000 US, a world record for a truffle. Did you know that in 1986, in Rome, when McDonald's opened, that they stood outside and served spaghetti for free just so they can remind people of their culinary heritage? I didn't know that. Vatican City is the only nation in the world that can lock its own gates at night. It has its own phone company, radio, TV stations, money, and stamps. It even has its own army, the historic Swiss Guard. And last but not least, what I find to be most interesting, a free wine fountain. You heard me right. Sounds like something of your dreams, doesn't it? It can't be real, but it is. In Caldera di Ortona in Italy, the small town has a free wine fountain that flows 24 hours a day with locally grown red wine. The fountain Fontana di Vino can be found in Dora Sarchesi Vineyard. You have to excuse my Italian, it's a little rusty. It sits on the Italian pilgrimage side of the route of Camino di San Tommaso. I can't wait to visit there. Now that we've finished learning about Italy, let's hear the itinerary for our virtual tour. Zoom wine tasting. 10 best places in Italy. A link for your virtual tour will be provided to you in January on Tuesday the 19th. Just a reminder, once the link or video is posted, you're free to enjoy this at your leisure. Other activities included cooking. Don't forget, later this month you will have the opportunity to learn how to cook your very own Meals on Wheels special. Meatballs and pasta, corn with onions, edamame cookie, yum. Well, for now friends, arrivederci, and I'll see you next month in Paris.